Welcome to ladies and gentlemen following specific issue. Procedure for applying for an investment policy decision pursuant to Article 30, 31, 32 of the Law on Investment in 2020. Issue on 2020, effective January 1st, 2021. Status valid. There are specific regulations for projects that are required to apply for investment policy decision of the National Assembly. The Prime Minister and the Provincial People's Committee. Investors must carry out the following procedures. Procedures for applying for an investment policy decisions in accordance with the authority of the competent authority shall accept the procedures and documents specified in Article 33, 34, 35, and 36 of the Law on Investment 2020. In the case project does not fall into the case specified in Articles 30, 31, and 32 of the Investment Law on Investment in 2020. The investor is not required to carry out the procedures for applying for an investment policy decisions. Firstly, investment registration procedure in Clause 1 and 2, Article 37 of the Law on Investment in 2020. There are regulations on cases in which the procedure on granting an investment registration certificate must be carried out, including investment projects of foreign investors, investment projects of economic organizations as prescribed in Clause 1, Article 23 of the Law on Investment. The following cases are not required to carry out the procedures for granting an investment registration certificate. Investment projects of domestic investors, investment projects of economic organizations as prescribed in Clause 2, Article 23 of the Law on Investment. The investment in the form of capital contribution, purchase of share, of capital contribution of economic organizations. Secondly, the order of issuance of certificates. Secondly, order issuance of certificates of foreign investment registration in Vietnam, prescribed in Article 38 of the Law on Investment in 2020. For investment projects subject to decision on investment policies within 5 working days from the date receipt of the written decision on investment policies, the Investment Registration Agency in Industries Management, High-Tech Zone, Manufacturing Area, Economic Area, or the Department of Planning and Investment must issue investment certificates to investors. In case the project is not subject to decision on investment policies, the investor shall submit the dossier specified in Clause 1, Article 33 of this law to the Investment Registration Agency within 15 days from the day on which the complete application is received in the Investment Registration Agency. VIêN issue an investment registration certificate for review or granting it in writing together with the reason. The competition authority will issue the investment registration certificate if the investor establishes an enterprise in an industry, high-tech zone, manufacturing area, economic area. The management boards of the industry, high-tech zone, manufacturing area, economic area has authority to issue certificates, investment registration certificates for investors. In case the project outside of the above units, the competent Department of Planning and Investment will issue an investment registration certificate to the investor. Thirdly, procedure for business establishment registration. After carrying out the investment registration procedure, if the content of the investment project is to establish in an enterprise in Vietnam, the investors must carry out the enterprise registration procedure in accordance with the provisions of the Law on Enterprise 2020 and other implementation manual. Business can choose one of the following types: single-member limited liability company, multi-member limited liability company, partnership, a joint top company. Besides, the procedure for enterprise registrations are based on Article 26 of the Law on Enterprise 2020. An enterprise founder or an authorized person shall register an enterprise with the Business Registration Authority by the following methods. Register your business directly at the Business Registration Authority. Business registration via portal service. Business registration via electronic information network. After 3 working days, the Business Registration Agency will issue the certificates of the business registration or notify the refuse in writing clearly stating the reason. After being granted business registration certificate, the company legal representative or authorized person shall engrave the enterprise legal seal and notice the enterprise seal sample according to the agency's instruction of business registration before putting use. Lastly, if foreign individuals and organizations want to invest in Vietnam, it is necessary to grasp investment opportunities, information on the legal corridor, and the legal system related to investment in Vietnam. We will promptly and accurately advise clients with a team of experienced lawyers and consultants. Please contact us when you have legal questions that need to be answered. Thank you so much.